Imagine typing words and getting a video. Instantly create a stunning image. Build a complete presentation. I will show you 5 magic websites. Let's get started. First up is ChatGPT. Most people use it for simple questions, but that's only scratching the surface. It can generate social media posts, learn new skills, write code, summarize long documents. For example, if you're a student, ask it to explain a difficult topic in simple language.
Next is Canva AI. Now it's even more powerful, generating designs instantly from simple text prompts. Need a social post or a professional logo? Canva AI creates them in minutes. Now let's talk about Pika Labs. It turns text into video. Imagine typing, "Need a social post" or "professional logo" feels like living in the future. Have you ever wanted your own song? Meet Suno AI. Lyrics, music, and production are automatic. Yes, the AI actually sings. Create pop, rap, just type what you want to hear. And Suno generates complete songs. Yes, the AI actually sings. Perfect for videos and reels. And now for the final tool, Gamma AI. It generates slides, text, and images automatically. You get professional designs within minutes. It is saving enormous amounts. It is incredibly intuitive. Anyone can create stunning presentations. These 5 tools are changing the way we work. Make sure to check them out and start creating today. Those were 5 AI tools that feel like magic. Which one impressed you? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.